we be judged when we face God? Will it be a pass-fail test, facing the option of heaven or hell? Or is it going to be like an evaluation? An evaluation that considers our performance in terms of the conditions that we faced, having mercy factored into the decision. No matter the perspective, we need to keep in mind that we are all sinners seeking mercy. According to Saints Augustine and John Chrysostom, the confession and transformation of the heart is the starting point of any relationship with God. Confession isn't just rattling off a list of infractions like these. We need to examine the root causes of these behaviors. A 4th century monk, Evagrius Ponticus, identified 8 evil thoughts that led to sinful or selfish behaviors. What are they? Well, I'm glad you asked. The first one, gluttony. Does this smell delicious? Is it tasty?
Wait, I want some.
Who says I have to share? The second one is lust. Tom Selleck. I bet you should see what's going through my mind right now. The next one is avarice. And the winner takes it all. Then we have anger. And we have sadness. Then we have vainglory or excessive vanity. Then there's pride. And finally, sloth. No, I don't mean the slow-moving animal. I'm talking about laziness. Over the centuries, this list has been updated. Sloth has been removed and is replaced with envy. Pride, on the other hand, became the ruler of the other 7. You can tell the influence that pride has on our thought, words, and deeds. I hope that was a good enough take, Alex. Think of how these passions govern our lives and rule our choices. By first recognizing these selfish and sinful behaviors, we beg forgiveness and ask for the strength to resist temptation. And we try to eliminate those tendencies that separate us from God. Easy? No. Successful? Eventually. Keep praying and trying. God continuously forgives the truly repentant soul. How can we have such a relationship and heartfelt experience, often called metanoia, when God seems so limitless and undefinable? You know, it gets down to my original question: how do you picture God? Now, as a person, most Christians see God as Jesus. Now, some people believe God can show up any way God wants to at any time. So now I have another question for you. What would you do if God made a personal appearance in your life? Well, you know, We'll talk about that in the next video. And until then, may the peace of the Lord be always with you. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.
What aisle am I going to find God? I understand he's making an appearance today.